Ang Manly Realty Corporation ay naniniwala na ang tunay na kaunlaran ay nagsisimula sa maayos at ligtas na tahanan. Sa bawat proyektong aming ginagawa, maliit man o malaki, we prioritize integrity, quality, excellence, sustainability, and providing the needs of Filipino families. Sa Manly Realty, hindi lang kami nagtatayo ng mga gusali. Nais namin magtayo ng pangarap at pag-asa para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Manly Realty began as a small development firm, founded by the drive to create homes for fellow Filipino families. The company was established in 2022 with a small team of people dedicated to giving back to the community. Currently, Manly Realty Corporation has an ongoing project, Bukawe Bulacan Manor, which aims to provide housing options to urban areas. At Manly Realty Corporation, our vision is to establish sustainable solutions that enhance housing access across communities in the Philippines. We are dedicated to expanding and transforming underdeveloped areas into vibrant neighborhoods, fostering inclusive spaces for all. Our mission is to provide affordable, high-quality housing that empowers individuals and families to thrive, ensuring that everyone has a place to call home. Together, we are building a brighter future for our communities, one home at a time. In partnership with the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development, Pag-ibig Fund, and the Bukawe Bulacan Local Government Unit, we present to you Bukawe Bulacan Manor, socialized condominium housing with over 2.8 hectares. Currently, Bukawe Bulacan Manor has 6 buildings, 14 floors each, which will benefit families of over 1,000 beneficiaries. Bilang katuwang ng 4PH program, Pag-ibig Fund, DSHU, at ng Bukawe LGU, layunin naming makapagbigay ng abot-kaya at legalidad na pabahay na magsisilbing matibay, pundasyon ng mas maayos na pamumuhay at mas magandang kinabukasan para sa komunidad. The Bukawe Bulacan Manor Project, under the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino program, is designed to embody affordable, quality, and community-centric living. Ang Bukawe Bulacan Manor ay bahagi ng Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino o 4PH program, isang proyekto na suportado ng gobyerno para matulungan ang mas maraming Pilipino na magkaroon ng sariling bahay. Dahil may government subsidy, mas napababa ang interest rate at buwan ng hulugan na mas kaya ng budget ng pamilya. Dito, ang pangarap na sariling tahanan ay nagiging posible. May abot-kayang presyo, magaan na monthly amortization, at mas madaling loan application para sa mga kwalipikadong miyembro ng Pag-ibig. Ang Bukawe Bulacan Manor ay hindi lang basta pabahay. Isa itong modernong condominium development na may maayos na disenyo at may amenities para sa mas komportableng pamumuhay. At sa likod ng proyektong ito ay ang Manly Realty Corporation. Nakatuon sa dekalidad na construction at pagsunod sa tamang standards, Bukawe Bulacan Manor para sa pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang sample unit sa Bukawe Bulacan Manor. 25 to 27 square meters, meron 2 bedrooms, kitchen, living area, and toilet and bath. Mayroong amenities na basketball court, swimming pool, clubhouse, playground and park, children's daycare center, multipurpose building, parking and commercial spaces, and tricycle terminal. Manly Realty is dedicated to building affordable and quality homes that foster vibrant communities. Ito ang video update ng Bukawe Bulacan Manor ngayong buwan. Manly Realty Corporation. Experience the manly difference in realty.